What's the meaning of corporation tax? Corporation tax. Corporation tax.
Corporation tax. Corporation tax. Corporation tax is a tax that is levied on the profits earned by companies and other legal entities. It is a direct tax that is calculated based on the profits earned after deducting allowable expenses from the total revenue. The tax rate varies depending on the country and size of the company, with larger companies often paying a higher percentage of their profits in taxes. The revenue generated from corporation tax is used to fund public services and infrastructure projects. Ultimately, corporation tax is a way for governments to generate revenue from the profits earned by businesses operating within their borders.